Hello guys, the vegetable oil was added and my onion and my salt was added, and also I just added my tomato. I like using fresh tomatoes, so I'll leave these tomatoes to cook for some minutes to get dry so that the water in the tomato will get dry. Then look at it, is getting ready to be used for my jollof rice. So look at it, is dried a little. Then I added my assorted seasoning, guys. Next, what I'm gonna do is to leave it to cook for some minutes, and this is my rice. So what I'm gonna do is another method of cooking jollof rice. So there are different methods, but I just choose to do it this way. So this is another method. If you go through my channel, you see another method. So I'll leave it to cook for some minutes. Then my jollof rice is getting set. So I added other seasoning, my bay leaf, my curry, my thyme, my rosemary. So I cooked it for some minutes and it's getting ready to be served. So this is another pattern and ways of cooking jollof rice, guys. Let's keep watching. So next I added my onion and butter, margarine. Yes, so this margarine gives it one kind of nice taste, and the onions brings the nice taste out. So it's ready, guys. So I'm gonna turn it because it's getting burnt. So get